What is HIIT? Okay, so you have probably heard about HIIT and that HIIT workouts are incredible for burning off fat, improving your cardiovascular fitness, and that they are short and sharp in duration. But what exactly is HIIT, you ask? Well, let me quickly explain. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. It involves alternating short bursts of intense exercise with low intensity recovery periods. For example, you could do 30 seconds of an exercise at a high intensity, followed by 30 seconds of the exercise at a low intensity, and you repeat these alternating periods of work and recovery for 10 sets, as just one example of the many intervals that you may complete. Now, after this 10-minute round of intervals, you could complete another round of intervals after a rest break, or you could wrap up the workout there for a quick fire 10-minute HIIT workout. It depends on your fitness, goals, and time available. So that is HIIT in a nutshell. A short and sharp high intensity workout where you alternate periods of high intensity with periods of low intensity or rest, with workouts typically lasting between 10 to 30 minutes in duration, depending upon how the workout is structured. Now, when it comes to equipment, you can do your HIIT workouts at home with no equipment at all by doing bodyweight exercises such as jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and running as examples. Or you can use exercise equipment such as treadmills, bikes, cross trainers, rowers, steps and benches, or skipping ropes. Therefore, you can choose what will work best for you. So go and give HIIT workouts a try because the benefits are absolutely incredible. And last but not least, if you want a few free HIIT workouts to follow along to in the privacy of your home, I have put a link in the description where you can find some of my HIIT workouts that you can follow along to from beginner to advanced workouts, along with low impact workouts. So go and check them out now and get ready for an incredible workout. So there you have it. That is my answer for today's question. I really hope that you found it helpful. And if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. And last but not least, if you want to take out all of the guesswork and have exercise programs, meal plans, and recipes to follow, make sure you come to philhartson.com and you will find everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you soon.